In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explode a slice of a pie chart in Excel. To get started, you will be working directly with your pie chart. This technique is useful when you want one specific category to stand out. The key idea is that Excel lets you separate a single slice from the rest of the pie. You only need to do a few simple actions, but it helps to select the right part of the chart as you go. First, click the pie chart once to select the entire data series. When you click the pie chart, you should see that the whole chart becomes selected. This is the point where Excel recognizes you are working with the pie as a whole. Take a moment to confirm that the chart itself looks selected, not just a random area near it. Selecting the entire chart series ensures that the slice you are about to move will respond correctly. Next, click the specific slice you want to explode to select only that piece. After selecting the whole chart, you will target one segment of the pie. Click directly on the slice and try to be as precise as possible. If you do it correctly, Excel will recognize that single section rather than the entire pie. This step matters because exploding is meant for one slice, not the entire pie chart. Now that the slice is selected, hold your mouse click down on that single slice. You are not just clicking once, you are pressing and holding. Keep the mouse button held while you begin to move your cursor. This allows Excel to treat the slice as an object you are dragging away from its original position. Once you have the mouse button held, drag your mouse outward away from the center of the pie. Move the slice smoothly in the direction you want it to separate. As you drag, you should see the slice begin to pull away from the rest of the chart. The further you drag it from the center, the more noticeable the exploded effect will look. Be careful not to accidentally drag it back over the pie, because that can reduce the separation you want. While you are dragging, it can help to pay attention to how the slice moves relative to the rest of the pie. The goal is to create a clear gap between the exploded slice and the rest of the chart. That gap is what makes the category stand out visually. If the separation looks too small, you can continue dragging farther outward. If it looks about right, you can release the mouse button to keep it in place. After you release the mouse button, the slice should remain exploded, while the other slices stay in their original positions. At this point, your pie chart is still fully usable and readable, with the highlighted slice now drawing the viewer's attention. You can use this method for presentations, reports, or dashboards where you want emphasis on one category. If you decide later that you want to change which slice is exploded, you can simply select a different slice and drag it outward again. The process stays the same. Select the series, select the slice, hold and drag outward. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.